Hello everyone! In this video we're going to be learning an interesting hand trick to find the main trigonometric ratios of these main angles. Let's now start with this, sine x. To calculate sine of an angle x, it will be the square root of the number of the fingers on the right of the angle divided by 2. To clarify this, we will have some examples. Here we have sine of the angle 60, and angle 60 is here. So as we see, to calculate sine of the angle 60, we will count the number of the fingers just on the right of 60, which is, as we see here, 3 fingers. So that's why it will be the square root of 3 divided by 2 as we have here. Another example, here we have sine 30. So here we have angle 30, and on the right of 30 we have only one finger. So that's why it will be the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is simply half. So sine 30 is half. Moving on now to sine 90. Here we have angle 90. On the right of 90 we have 4 fingers. So it will be the square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So sine 90 is equal to 1. Let's move on now to the cosine ratio. It will be the square root of, here we count the number of the fingers on the left of the angle rather than the right as we did here, and then we divide by 2. Here, an example, cosine the angle 60. So 60 is here. So now, on the left of the angle 60, we have only one finger, so it will be the square root of 1 divided by 2, which is half. Another example, we have cosine 90. Here, we have angle 90, and on the left of 90, we don't have any finger. So that's why we have 0 fingers, or square root of 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Now moving on to the tangent ratio. It will be the square root of the number of the fingers on the right of the angle divided by the number of the fingers on the left. Here, for example, tan 60. It's equal to, so we see here we have angle 60. On the right of 60, we have 3 fingers. So it will be square root of 3. And on the left of 60, we have only one finger. So we have 1 here down. Now it will be 3 divided by 1, 3. So the answer is square root of 3. And of course, we can calculate tan 60 using the trigonometric identity tan x equals sine x divided by cosine x. So here, tan 60 can be done in a different way, which is sine 60 divided by cosine 60. Now, sine 60, as we found here, square root of 3 divided by 2. And cosine 60 is half, as we found here. So we have 1 divided by 2. Now, cancel 2 and 2. So we have square root of 3 divided by 1, which is square root of 3. So we got here the same answer as this. With this simple trick, you can derive the whole table here, the main trigonometric ratios of these main angles. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and consider subscribing, and stay tuned for an upcoming future video about visualizing the unit circle rather than memorizing.